As some of you maybe noticed, I bought about half a year ago this Ford Focus. But now it started keeping strange noise when I started. Let's start it and hear what it sounds. Maybe you can tell what the problem is.